1 year manufacturer warranty. Only 1 year. And you got the Moen half horsepower, high rust resistant, 3-year manufacturer warranty. Not bad. Plus it has a cord. These don't have cords. You have to take the old cord off, and if it's bad, you have to go pay 13 bucks for a new cord. This one has a cord, and it's 10 bucks cheaper than these. So this one's a half horsepower. It's what I have. This is what I have. This is the Badger 500. Rust resistant, 3-year manufacturer warranty, which is the same as this, but this is a high rust resistant. It says rust resistant. This is high rust resistant, but this one has a cord, so I don't have to take anything off. That's just a quick plug and play. Plus, these everything's the same. This is just the same. Boom, boom. So this should be a quick fix. So I think I'm gonna go with this Moen. All right, let's get this one. Leaking out the bottom, guys. So we're gonna take this out, replace it. Today we're gonna be replacing our garbage disposal, and we had a Badger 5. We're gonna be replacing it with this Moen GXP50c half horsepower. So it's got the same mounting bracket. You could possibly get away with just mounting this to the old bracket, and we might do that, or we might just take the whole thing off. Anyway, what you're gonna need for this is a screwdriver, long flathead screwdriver. In our case, we need a 10mm socket with a ratchet. That's what we're gonna use. Let's get to it. Okay, what we got here is a couple of bolts. So we have one right here, one on the other side, right there on the other side. And then you have one bolt right here that goes to this dishwasher drain. Okay? And then we have the mounting brackets for this that we'll have to take off. There are like 3 of them. Alright, so we're gonna take these off and take this off. Okay? Put this little metal device in here and pull it to the left. So what we're going to do is pull it to the left. See what happens? It came off just like that. This is where the holes are. For you guys, this is what I do for you guys. That's it. That's our problem right there. Alright. Let's keep in mind that our holes are right here. And again, I'm drilling this. I'm going to drill this hole a little bit bigger so I can put a straw in there to pour some water down. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did something different. I got this my Roundup sprayer, so I could be under pressure, you know, instead of a straw or just barely putting any water in there. So what I'm going to do is I made the hole bigger with the drill, and I did that for the purpose of I want to get this in there to where the water is only going through the spot where those little bitty holes were. I don't want it trickling down here or here. I want to make sure that the water was coming from just this spot. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little test spray. And I'm going to spray some water down in here. And my towel, paper towel, should start getting wet. Let's see. No water is trickling down here or here. It's just going in the spot that I had it. And let's see if that was the main problem. Looks like my towel is getting soaked already. This was a job where you could not fix this situation without replacing it. And you'll see that it was dripping out of the bottom. See, there was no way of fixing that. All right, so we're gonna open the new one. It's a Moen. Now, this is the same mounting bracket. This thing is the same mounting bracket is what I have. Seriously, if I just take this off, leave it to the side, comes with the little new gasket. I will be using a new gasket, but the reality is I'm going to be redoing this kitchen anyway. I'm going to have a new sink and everything. I can literally just mount this underneath. Okay, we're going to try this without putting the new mounting bracket on, because this is universal, so it should go on. It should go on fine. Let's see if it does. So we got it on there, but we got to turn it. We turned it to the left. Now we got to turn it to the right. Double-ended Allen wrench, and we'll turn this thing to the right. I think we've about got it. It's in there. So I guess now the issue would be is if we replace this gasket or not. I mean, the same one, but I guess put on like that. New gasket. We'll use this same metal bracket. That's fine. Don't forget to knock out the little plastic piece if you have a dishwasher, because you have to have this little plastic piece out of the way for your drain. Installation is more than the product you're buying, you know. So now that you got your bolts in, everything's fitted, this is tight, this is tight, okay, this is on, good. Let's just plug it in. And let's run some water through it. Let's run some water. Like always, all you would do is check. Go ahead and build up a little water. And let's turn this bad boy on. Well guys, we took care of it. Took about 30-40 minutes. That's it, tops. You know, if you hire somebody, they're gonna charge you $100, $150 to install. It's better to just do it yourself. So if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, appreciate it. Got more videos to come, more home improvement videos. So appreciate it if you subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.